Hello everybody, and thank you so much for watching. Today we will make this beautiful jacket or cardigan. It is made with Mandala yarn, and I will put the hook and yarn information in the comment section. Please let me show you how we will make this jacket. It's made out of 2 hexagons. When they are folded together, they will make the right and left side. We will add rows to our jacket to make it wider. And make the seams on the sleeves and the back and create a triangle for some neck space. We will add length to our sleeves. Mine are 27.5 inches and length to the bottom. My length is 24 inches. The rib pattern around the jacket creates the shawl collar. I pinned a comment for the hook and yarn information. This mandala yarn has the grays and pinks together. I changed colors to different grays and pinks to make these color variations. I matched the colors of the 2 hexagons so they look the same. And of course you can create your own beautiful color combinations. Let's start to make our 2 hexagons. Make your hexagons to where you like the width of your sleeve. Mine is 7.5 inches and I made 15 rounds. Make your jacket larger or smaller, but make it so the size of the sleeve fits you. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch into the very first chain. Start round 1 with 3 chains. For the double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and make a second double crochet into the ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat. Make 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2, and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat the third time. Make 2 double crochet into the ring. 1 and 2, and chain 3, and repeat 3 more times. Make 2 double crochet into the ring with chain 3 in between. We have 6 groups with 2 double crochet and chain 3s in between. Let's finish with a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch into the third chain, but only into the back loop. In this pattern we will only work in back loops. Make the slip stitch, go to the next double crochet, also only into the back loop, and make a slip stitch. And make a slip stitch into the chain space of 3 and start round 2. You can chain 3 for the double crochet or make a chainless double. For the chainless double, pull the loop a little long and hold with your thumb. Rotate the hook from the front to the back to create the yarn over for the double crochet. Go into the chain space and pull the yarn through. Then pull through the loop and behind the yarn over. Let go and pull through 2 loops. Make the second double crochet into the chain space of 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 2 more doubles into the chain space of 3. And that's our standard corner. 2 doubles, 3 chains, and 2 doubles. Now we work into the back loops alone of the next 2 doubles. Here's the front loop. Go into the back loop of the double crochet and make a double crochet. Make the second double crochet into the back loop of the second double crochet. And then repeat the corner. Make 2 doubles, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 2 doubles into the chain space of 3. 1 and 2. Then make a double crochet into the back loop of the next double crochet. 1 and make another double into the back loop of the next double crochet and repeat the corner. 2 doubles, 3 chains, and 2 doubles into the chain space of 3. Then make 2 double crochet into the back loops of the next 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Now repeat 3 more times, 1, 2, 3 corners with 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles, and then into the back loop of the 2 doubles, make the 2 double crochet. I made my last corner with 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. Finish the round, make a double crochet into the back loop only of the first slip stitch we made in the previous round, and make a double crochet into the back loop of the second slip stitch we made in the previous round. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doubles on each side. If you made a chain 3, slip stitch into the back loop of the third chain. I will slip stitch into the back loop of my double crochet, so we keep our pattern. Make the slip stitch into the back loop and make a slip stitch into the back loop of the next double crochet and slip stitch into the chain space. Start round 3. Make 2 double crochet into the chain space. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 2 doubles into the same chain space, and that's our standard corner again. 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. Then make double crochet into the back loops of all the previous double crochet. You can see the nice line. Repeat your corner with 2 double crochet, a chain of 3 and 2 double crochet into the chain space. Make double crochet into the previous double crochet back loop only and repeat your corner, 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. I made 4 doubles into the previous 4 doubles. Finish round 3 with double crochet into the back loop of the first slip stitch and a double crochet into the back loop of the second slip stitch. Then make 3 slip stitches into the back loop of the first double crochet, into the back loop of the second double crochet, and into the chain space of 3, and start round 4. Make 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles into the corner. Continue along the side, make double crochet into the back loops of all the double crochet and 2 doubles, 3 chains, 2 doubles in the corner. At the end of round 4, you can already see the nice L shape our jacket will have, and I want to match the 2 pieces with the color, so I make the same color changes on both hexagons. I want to show you how I switch color. Make the 2 slip stitches into the back loop of the next 2 stitches and a slip stitch into the chain space, and I pull my yarn out and switch color. Now you can either make a standalone double now or chain 3. For the standalone double, wrap the yarn around the hook, or you can also make a slip knot, but you need a loop on the hook. Yarn over and make a double crochet into the chain space. And we are making our standard corners. 1 more double, so we have our 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. And I continue with the same pattern. I make double crochet into the back loops of all of the double crochet and into the corner, 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles, and now my 2 pieces match with the colors. Once you finish the first hexagon and you like the width of your sleeve, make the second hexagon exactly the same way. Now let's crochet around 3 sides to add more width to our jacket. You can start in the corner with a new color or keep the same color. I started with the white in the corner. I crochet down the front, around the bottom, and then up the back. Then we turn our work to the wrong side, crochet down the back, around the bottom, and then up the front. I did that 4 times. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows around the 3 sides. And my jacket measures now 9 inches. You can make more rows if you like to make the jacket wider. My work is right side up, and I will make 2 double crochet into the corner. 1 and 2, and then we just continue with our regular pattern. Make double crochet into all of the back loops. I double crocheted along the first side, made the first corner with 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. Double crochet into the second side, back loop only, and then into the second corner, 2 doubles, 3 chains, 2 doubles, and I double crochet along the third side, and then I made 2 doubles into the corner. And we can start row 2. Chain 3 and turn your work over to the wrong side. To keep our pattern, we will double crochet into all of the front loops. Double crochet into the front loops on all 3 sides, and then make your regular corner with 2 doubles, 3 chains and 2 doubles. When you turn it over to the right side, you still get the nice line. I double crocheted around the 3 sides and into the 2 corners. At the end of the row, I made my last double crochet into the front loop of the previous double crochet, and I left 2 loops on the hook because I want to change my color, and I pulled a new color through the 2 loops. Start round 3, chain 3, and turn your work over back to the right side. And now we will double crochet into the back loops again. Double crochet the 3 sides and the 2 corners. I crocheted along the 3 sides and into the 2 corners, and I made my last double crochet into the back loop of the 3rd chain. I left 2 loops on the hook so I can change my color again in row 4, and this will be my last row, but you can add more rows if you want to make your jacket wider. Start row 4, make a chain of 3. Turn your work over to the wrong side, and on the wrong side we double crochet into the front loops only. Crochet around the 3 sides and make the 2 corners. We have to repeat the same amount of rows on the second hexagon that we did on the first hexagon. This time, start in the back corner. Turn your work so you start in the corner with your work facing right side up, and crochet around the 3 sides. 1, 2, and 3, back and forth, and repeat the same amount of rows that you made in the first hexagon. Now we will make the seam for our sleeve. I turned my hexagon wrong side up, so this is the wrong side and the 2 right sides are facing each other. We will start in the corner and work our way towards the neckline. Grab the second chain in the front, go into the front loop. Grab the second chain in the back, go into the back loop, and make a slip stitch. Go into the next chain in the front, grab the front loop, go into the chain in the back and grab the back loop and make a slip stitch. So we're crocheting the front loops together in the front and the back loops together in the back, and you can repeat it for the double crochet. Go into the front loop in the front and the back loop in the back, make a slip stitch. Front loop, back loop, slip stitch. Front loop, back loop, slip stitch. This is the wrong side, and when you turn it over, you get the nice 2 lines on the right side. Slip stitch the last double crochet together before the chain space, then slip stitch the 2 chains together. Front loop, back loop, slip stitch, and the second chain. Front loop, back loop, slip stitch. Go around the entire double crochet now that we made on the side. Go around the first double crochet and around the entire double crochet on the second side. And make 3 single crochet right around the 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then grab the next 2 double crochet and make single crochet right around all of those 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And the next 2 doubles. Grab the one in the front and the back and make 3 singles around it. And I have one more time. Make 3 singles around the 2 double crochet. Then pull my yarn through one more time. This is the wrong side, and this is how it looks on the right side. And you can finish your other sleeve the same way. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch part 2 where we will finish our jacket. Bye bye.